Hello students, let's move for the seventh sum in the exercise 7.1. Let's read the sum. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Okay, so you have to take, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. So this is find the points on the x-axis. Take this point is as a P. So this point as midpoint P, and this is called A and this is B. Okay, these are the 2 points. A is 2 comma minus 5 and B is minus 2 comma 9. Okay, so we want to find out the points of the x-axis. X-axis in the sense, take this as a x-axis completely. I mean x-axis in the sense the value of x is coordinate, x point is x only, and y, no y-axis, no, that's why it should be 0. So we want to find out x comma 0. So get to know that why it should be x comma 0, because they only has given x-axis. If they are given instead of this, if they are given a y-axis, it should be the 0 comma y. Okay, because no points for the x-axis by the time and y will be there, so that is 0 comma y. Here no point for the x-axis, so that's why y-axis, that's why it should be x comma 0. Understood? Hope you will understand. Okay, so we don't know what is the midpoint or the point of the x-axis P. From there, here also it is equidistant, and from here also it is equidistant. I mean AP equal to PP. Equidistance in the sense AP equal to PB. That is, so we want to find out the value of x comma 0. So let's calculate now. Okay, first we have to take the PA here. PA this side. PA formula, the same formula we can use, the distance formula, that is the x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's substitute the value. So in this PA, P and A, x2 is 2 minus x1 is, we don't know, x whole square, right, as it is. Okay, 2 minus x. Okay, 2 minus x whole square plus y2 is we can take y2 as a minus 5. Y2 is 0, sorry, y2 is 0. Y2 is minus 5 only, and y1 is minus 0 whole square, right? Okay, so next we can take this as a 2 minus x or x minus 2 also we can take, no worry about that. So 2x minus 2 whole square, in the sense you know that is the x square. Better you have to take this as x minus 2 only, because you know the formula. Or you can take this as, instead of PA, AP, instead of PA, AP. For easy calculation, I told you x minus 2. AP in the sense this is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2, x minus 2 whole square, and this is also 0 plus 5. It will become 0 plus 5. Okay, x minus 2 whole square in the sense a minus b whole square formula. So that's a square minus 2a square plus b square, in the sense 2 square is 4 plus 2 minus is there, no, so it is minus 2ab, in the sense 2ab, 2 into x is 1, 2 into 1, and b, so that is 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2ab, here I'll show you, 2 into a value is x and b value is 2. 2 2s are 4x it is. So that's why it should be x square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, in the sense 4x, and 5 square in the sense plus 25. Hope you will understand this. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. So that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so that equal to square root of x square minus 4x plus 25, and plus 4 is plus 29. Okay, so keep like that only, that is x square minus 4x plus 29. So let's find out after AP. After, next we have to take the BP. BP. In the same way, BP, the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is x1 y1 and this is the x2 y2. So x2 is x minus x1 is, that is the it is minus 2, I mean minus of minus 2 whole square, plus y2 is 9, sorry, y2 is 0 and minus 9 whole square. So that equal to x plus 2 whole square here, minus into minus it will become x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square in minus 9 whole square. So that equal to square root of x plus 2 whole square, in the sense a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square 2 square, in the sense 4, plus 2ab, in the sense minus 4x here, but here plus 4x plus 4x plus 9 9s are 81. So that equal to square root of x square plus 4x plus 81 plus 4 is 85. So take this. So they only told they are the equidistance in the sense AP equal to BP. So let's write the AP is square root of x square plus 4x plus, sorry, plus 29 it is, that equal to square root of this thing, I mean BP, x square plus 4x plus 85. So root will be cancelled on both sides, and even x square also cancelled. Sorry, this is minus 4x, not plus here. Minus, this is also minus. So only left behind here minus 4x. So if we are taken plus 4x to this side, it will become minus 4x only. 85 should be in RHS only. If you have taken plus 29 to RHS, it will become minus 28. Minus 4x is minus 8x, and 85 minus 29 is 15. 15 minus 9 is 6, and here 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So totally we got 56. Then x equals 56 divided by minus 8. 8 I think 7, 8 sevens are minus 7, x value is minus 7, and the point is, the point we took as p and x, no, let the, you have to take one more point here, let the point on x axis be what we have taken, x comma 0, x comma 0. So therefore the point is x, in the sense the value of x is minus 7 comma 0. This is the answer. The point is minus 7 comma 0. Hope you will understand. Let's move for the next sum, eighth sum in the exercise 7.1, and read the sum. Find the value of a y for which the distance between the point p comma 2 comma minus 3 q is 10 comma 5 is 10 units. I mean d value they only has given, and p and q value they has provided. We want to find out the y value here. Okay, d has given, p x1 y1 x2 y2 also is given, but in a y2 that has provided the y only. We want to find out the y value. Let's take the formula, distance formula. D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root of, so this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, right? Okay, so we have to take that x2 is 10 minus x1 is 2, 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is y only, we don't know, right, as it is, minus of y1 is minus 3 whole square, and d has given how much, 10, substitute that. So then 10 equals square root of 10 minus 2 in the sense nothing but the 8 square plus this is y plus 3 whole square, nothing but the again a plus b whole square formula, right? Okay, so let us take that what it has become. 8 square in the sense 8 8s are 64 plus y plus 3 whole square in the sense again a plus b whole square formula, that is y square plus b square in the sense 9 plus 2ab, I mean 2 3s are 6 into y 6y, 2ab again I'll show you, 2ab 2 into a value is y into b value is 3, 2 3s are 6y, don't get confusion. Okay, so here 10 equal to square root of what it's become 64 plus 9. So first you have to write in order y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9 is 73. 64 plus 6 is 70 plus 3 73. So now you have to square on both sides to cancel the square root. So if we are square on both sides, 10 square equal to square root of y square plus 6y plus 73 whole square. So this square and the root cancel, 10 tens are 100 equal to y square plus 6y plus 73. Next step is y square plus 6y plus 73 plus 100 come to the RHS, it will become a minus 100 equals 0. So next is y square plus 6y minus 100 and plus 73 is minus bigger number sign 27 here. 100 minus 73 is 27. So let us solve this. So we can write the last term 27 is, so 9 threes are we can write, so plus 9 and minus 3 if you are writing it should be equal to the plus 6, plus 9 minus 3 is plus 6. You know the solving of the equation, quadratic equation, y square plus 6y alternatingly we can write as plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0. So take this as a one term and this as a one term. So in this two terms we are taken a y common here, y plus 9 it is y plus 9. If you have taken minus 3 common here, it will become y plus 3 nines. So what is there in a bracket, that thing want to comes here also equal to 0. Again y plus 9 is common, the remaining if you have taken y plus 9 outside, so y should be remain in the inside the bracket, and minus 3, y minus 3 equal to 0. So if y plus 9 equal to 0, then y equals what happen, minus 9, and here or y minus 3 equals 0, then y equals what happen, therefore y equals plus 3. Okay, so y equals plus 3 or y equals minus 9. So the required find the value of y, no, that's all. Hope you will understand this. Okay, so next two sums are there, I will do in the next period. Thank you all.